Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best vacuum sealers. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Nutri Chef Automatic Vacuum Sealer. Featuring a lightweight design and straightforward interface, the Nutri Chef vacuum sealer earned top marks for pulse control. 2 sealing options, dry and moist, allow you to seal anything from soup to chicken or steak for Sous Vide. There is also an option for normal or gentle. In our tests, the Nutri Chef excelled at sealing delicate food items. Strawberries, raspberries, cereal, and pretzels all held up exceedingly well. Some juices were released when we used it to seal raw pork, but there were minimal air pockets. The one real downside was the fact that the machine felt hot after each use, meaning this might not be the top choice if you're looking to seal in bulk. It's also missing a removable drip tray, which makes cleaning more difficult. The vacuum sealer comes with 5 medium-sized vacuum bags and 1 extra-large vacuum bag roll, both of which are completely waterproof and reusable. If you need more, replacement bags are easy to purchase from Nutri Chef or other vendors. As a bonus, the kit also includes an air suction hose and wine stopper cork so you can seal any leftover wine. Number 7 in my list is Food Saver Plus Automatic Bag Vacuum Sealer. Food Saver makes some of the best-selling vacuum sealers available today. This vacuum sealing system is fully automated. There's bag detection that starts the vacuum sealing process and moisture detection that selects the correct mode, whether you're sealing fragile pantry snacks or marinated steaks. Using a vacuum sealer is also the best way to reheat steak, keeping it nice and juicy. There's an LED light display to indicate progress, and the machine turns itself off when the job is done. This machine had some of the best suction power of all the vacuum sealers we tested, making it ideal for sealing meat. Plus, it was quick. If you're looking to stock and organize the freezer all at once, the Food Saver 2-in-1 will tackle your task in no time. It did have the one flaw of being too strong for some items, and there is no pulse control option, so you may have to be more careful with delicate foods. The price tag is a little steep for the casual user, but the machine comes loaded with some convenient features that help justify the spend. It's easy to clean, thanks to a pull-out drawer that houses a dishwasher-safe drip tray. It has built-in roll storage, a bag cutter, and a retractable handheld sealer that can be used to preserve pantry snacks, cereals, and nuts in Food Saver zipper bags, containers, and canisters. Plus, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Number 6 in my list is Geryon Vacuum Sealer. This compact vacuum sealer doesn't include some of the fancy features that the higher-end models do, but it performs its primary function, vacuuming and sealing bags for freezing, food storage, and Sous Vide cooking. It works with any brand of vacuum sealer bag rolls up to 12 inches wide, or with pre-made quart or gallon-sized bags.